Hi there and welcome to the final video in the series of A Beginner's Guide to the CTET. Today we'll talk about tips and strategies to clear the CTET in your very first attempt. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Dr. Swastidhar and I mentor teachers and to-be teachers to clear the CTET in their first attempt through self-paced courses, both for Paper 1 and Paper 2. Let's begin. Let me start with a question. How does one eat an elephant? That might sound like a strange question, but if you think about it, the CTET often feels like this giant elephant in your life. So the question is, how would you eat an elephant? The answer is very simple. One piece at a time. Breaking a humongous task into smaller, manageable tasks makes it not only achievable but far less overwhelming. And that's exactly how you should prepare for the CTET exam. Let me ask you another question. Have you heard about the Pareto principle? The Pareto principle has been named after an Italian economist and sociologist, Vilfredo Pareto, and it states that 80% of the output comes from 20% of the input. For example, 20% of your wardrobe might be responsible for 80% of the outfits that you wear throughout the year. So what does this mean for CTET preparations? It means that you don't have to master everything in the syllabus to pass. You only have to focus on the 20 to 30% of the topics that carries the most weight and will give you maximum marks. Think about it. CDP alone is worth 30 marks in both paper 1 and paper 2. The language pedagogy, that is language 1 and language 2 together, accounts for another 30 out of the 60 marks. And if you add the other pedagogy topics that you have, that is from maths and EVS in paper 1 or maths, science, social science in paper 2, then pedagogy alone is 90 marks out of 150. Technically, you can leave out the entire content and focus only on pedagogy and clear your paper. But that's just one strategy. But I've seen so many students jump into studying grammar, or they study the content like they study maths and they study science and social science and history, while they totally ignore pedagogy. This is a very inefficient strategy. To crack the CTET, you need to prioritize very smartly. Now let's address some common challenges that you must be facing. The syllabus is too vast. Yes, the syllabus can feel overwhelming, but remember the CTET is a MCQ based test. It is not a written exam. So you do not study for the exam as if you're going to be writing out the answers like you are studying for your B.Ed, D.Ed or class 12 exams. That's not how you study for the CTET. You just need to understand the concepts well enough so that you can pick the correct option out of the 4 options given to you. I don't have time to study. I understand you're doing a lot of work, responsibilities, but do you take time out to cook? Do you sit down a day and watch one serial? Do you commute to work? Surely you can take out 30 minutes a day so that you can study along. And those 30 minutes don't have to be together. 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the afternoon, 10 minutes in the night. That's more than enough for you to get started. I am not confident about pedagogy or CDP. That's a very common concern. Yes, CDP does seem like a huge mountain to climb, but CDP is the most scoring and the easiest to understand if you are a teacher, especially if you're a teacher who has been with children for some time, because the answers will seem very obvious to you. Also, if you break it down into smaller parts, smaller topics, then yes, this is one topic where all my students score 25 out of 30 minimum, because it's a very simple topic. It's just that there are so many topics. It just seems vast. Another, how will I find all the notes and the resources? Yes, you do need notes, you do need resources, but you really don't have to do it yourself. Even if you want to do it yourself, these resources are available online. You just have to spend more time finding it. But remember, you don't have to do it alone. So here's the good news. You don't have to navigate this journey by yourself. I've created a self-paced course especially designed for CTET aspirants like you. This course includes detailed video explanations on every topic, quizzes to test your understanding, real-time PYP solving and solutions which will be given, and that way you can tackle the previous year's papers and the questions which have been asked as you go along. And by enrolling, you'll save time and effort and focus on those things which truly matter to you. You can learn at your own pace, revisit topics whenever you feel that you need to revise it again, and join a supportive community of like-minded learners. If you're ready to take the next step, then I invite you to visit my website to explore and purchase the course. In the meanwhile, you can also join my WhatsApp community for free resources, motivations, and updates. And follow me on Instagram or YouTube by my name, Learn with Swasti. for regular tips, strategies, and updates on the CTET preparation. Preparing for the CTET doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right focus, strategy, and support, you can crack the CTET in your very first attempt and take one step closer to realizing your dream of being a qualified teacher. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below or reach out to me directly via WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope the series has been helpful and you're feeling confident to start or continue your CTET preparation journey. Remember, teaching is a noble profession and the world needs passionate and qualified educators like. Good luck, and I'll see you in my course or in my community.